Hi, I'm Elena Mangum, the Literacy Specialist for Center for Development and Learning. And today, for our K-2 mini lit lesson, we are going to Let's Floss. I'm not talking about the popular dance on Fortnite. This is about one of our spelling generalizations. The Center for Development and Learning is a premier thought leader in Louisiana with over 25 years' experience. Our mission is to improve life chances of children, especially those at high risk. Our purpose is to improve equity in education and close the opportunity gap. And we believe in children, regardless of how they look, where they come from, how they learn can and achieve school success. We really want to work on closing the achievement gap through teacher effectiveness with the science of reading. All right, so let's look at our spelling generalization for today. So when the letters F, L, S, or Z comes after a short vowel sound at the end of a one-syllable word, you're going to double the letter F, L, S, or Z. And remember, you figure out if the word is one syllable, you can clap it out with your hands. All right, let's look at some examples. So the letter F, we know if we have a one-syllable word, it's a short vowel sound, and it ends in the letter F, then we have to double the last letter F. Look at the first word, sniff. Let's clap it out to see if it's one syllable. Sniff. I do see a short I, and I saw a letter F, so that means I need to double it. Look at the next one. Let's clap it out. The word is cuff. Cuff. One syllable word, has a short U sound, followed by an F, then that means I have to double the F. Let's tap these words out. P, f. I hear three sounds. Let's see how many syllables. The word is puff. Clap the word. Puff. One syllable. It has a short U sound. It ends in the letter F. So what are we going to do? That's right. We're going to double the F. Double means two. So I'm going to write two Fs. Let's look at the letter L. We're going to do the same thing. One syllable word. It has a short vowel sound. If it ends in the letter L, you're going to double and add two L's. Let's look at the first example. Let's tap it out. Tap it out, remember, means let's see how many sounds it has so we can read the word. We can decode the word. L, skull. So we tapped out our word so we know how to read it. Let's see if it's one syllable. Skull. Skull is a one syllable word. I see the short U and I see an L, so I know I need to double it. Let's try another one. Let's look at the second word. Let's tap it out. I-o, I-o, hill. Let's clap to see if hill is one syllable. Hill. It's one syllable word. I hear the short I sound, I. It's followed by an L, so that means I have to double it. Let's look at our letter S. Let's tap out the word t-a-s. Again, t-a-s. Toss. Now we're going to clap it out to see if it's one syllable. Toss. I hear the short O, ah. It's followed by an S, and that means I need to double it. Try the rule with the next three words. Now the floss rule also works for the letter Z at the end of a word that's one syllable and has a short vowel sound. Let's look at the first word. Let's tap out the sounds to read the word. B, z. Again, b, z. Buzz. Let's clap it to see if it is one syllable. Buzz. It is a one syllable word. I hear the short U, It's followed by a Z, so I need to double the last letter Z. With any spelling generalization, there can always be exceptions. Exception number one, if the word is short for another word. Let me give you an example. We might say gel. Gel ends in L, but it's normally short for gelatin. It's short for another word. We would not double the L if we wrote gel. The second exception is if the word ends in the letter S, but it makes the Z sound, like in the word his. So remember, the floss rule is when the letters F, L, S, or Z comes after a short vowel sound at the end of a one-syllable word, you're going to double that letter. You're going to double the F, you're going to double the L, the S, or the Z. Let's stay connected. Email me with any questions or topics you would like to learn more about at elena@cdl.org. Remember, you can like and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and check out YouTube for more instructional videos.